Hi, I'm Julianne with Striven, and this is a Striven Spotlight. If this past year has been any indication, it's that the supply chain can be unpredictable, even in the best of times. From the biggest manufacturers with multiple locations to the single shops, everyone from the people that work there to the people that rely on them are affected when essential materials are scarce. And while these times can be stressful, there are steps that you can take to try and prevent these shortages from stopping your business in its tracks. It's just like my therapist always says. Focus on what you can control. And maybe switch to decaf. That's why we're shining a light on how Striven's inventory management can provide you visibility and relevant data when you need to pivot on a dime to minimize profit loss, communicate with customers, and cut down unnecessary stress. Striven connects to your inventory to the rest of your business, making sure that nothing is ever lost or misreported, whether it's in a warehouse or in transit. At any moment, you should be able to know what you have, where is it coming from, and where is it going. Monitor inventory across different locations, and customize storage down to specific bins. Create and manage orders within Striven, monitor available products and materials to provide customers with better service and an accurate timeline. Set minimum reorder amounts so you always keep sufficient quantities on hand. And if needed, you can streamline your search for substitute products from vendors. And because Striven manages your inventory on the same platform that runs everything else within your company, you get real-time updates and data concerning when your stock is low, when prices change, and when your customers should expect their delivery. All of which you can use to generate robust reports to track trends, marketing initiatives, so you can empower your sales team with a better understanding of customer needs. Who knows what next year or even tomorrow will bring, but investing in the right tools to manage inventory will help you in those times of uncertainty when you need to make fast and informed decisions. Don't waste resources and time worrying about what you can't control when there are tangible, immediate steps that you can take to help you right now. So yeah, this has been a Striven Spotlight.